up, boys?
Yo.
Got J Diddy and P Diddy. There we go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Tube jig always catches something. Not huge, but it's a fish. We got one in the boat.
Okay, we take it. We take it.
Thank you, buddy. Waiting for my W.A.K to get smoked. I'll have to reel him in here soon. Oh, another hit.
Oh, it's
Oh, come on. Yeah, there's tons of gills in here. I'm getting smoked by them. Alright. I gotta reel in my W.A.K before it gets all tangled up.
Oh, I mean.
No, you're good. I'm talking about the weeds. You're not over it. Yeah, but that's where the fish are. They've been jumping all up near shore here. So I need to fold up my chair. So I've gotten rid of the pedestals and I've started using a folding camp chair. The boat's not huge, but fish?
Dude, how small?
Little bass?
How small is it? Rocky. Thing is so small.
Hey.
He choked that thing though. Holy crap.
Yeah, you did. Sweet. Were you reeling or were you hopping on the bottom?
I was reeling. Just
all right.
slow reel.
Cool.
Dude, you choked this thing.
No way. No way I missed that.
Need pliers?
Nah, it's just such a big lure for a small fish.
Sweet.
See you, buddy.
Alright. So that
Alright,
means...
take your turn.
Alright.
Yeah, buddy. We got a nice catch here. A
DDH3. Yeah, that's
distance. Yeah, distance is 110.
That's a knock it off the dock ball.
Hey, I caught it though.
So the question is, was it hit from the island over there? Actually, that'd be a good shot. That'd be kind of fun to hit from over there. Or from under the tree. See, that's... I'm thinking it came from the island. Fish? Net?
Oh, crappie! Another freaking huge crappie!
Oh, jeez.
Let's go. Let's go. Watch out. Gotta watch out for that thing. Gotta release the line. Oh. Spicy little bugger. Let's go. Huh? Yeah, this is the place we can't eat out of either.
No, we can eat out of here.
Oh. I'm just glad because this shows that we have good crappie in this lake. Hey, Spuddy. going.
Sweet. There he goes.
Crappie just feel like weight sometimes. Oh, I'm slamming crappie right now.
That was on a Ned, huh?
Top water. Smart. Man, it's music. Really smart. Ow.
Oh.
I was trying out for the boat.
That bobber was all the way down.
Oh, yeah.
Fish?
Yep, bass. The shoreline. I need a shoreline. Did you get that? Ooh. Decent.
Yeah,
Decent.
get the net so we just get them in.
Okay, hold on.
Ooh.
Ooh. You got some fight in it. Nope. Watch out. Nope. Nope.
My bobber's getting tabbed too.
Let's go.
Nice little guy.
We take him. There we go. So, that came out much easier.
Gotcha.
This guy. Right.
Nice fish. Nice
I've been
bass.
hitting that
You
shore.
hit your bass.
Hit. Oh. Decent bluegill.
Yep.
Hit that shore. What I literally did, I literally hit the shore and like went off of it.
Only 10% of battery remaining. Off he goes. Nice.
Switch the battery maybe.
I will here in a sec.
Yeah, Jacob, hit that shore. That's what I've been doing. Oh, come. Get out in front of me. He sees it.
I don't think I've ever caught anything on a frog.
Big control? Yeah. Alright, cool. I need to fix some things to my rod. I rushed it, I saw carp. After that, now I'm right.
I'm about to start trying a Ned.
Jesus Christ, my bad. Shifting, forgot to say that.
You and I are moving at the same time. Alright, this bobber's about to come off. This guy's been getting hit.
Has been?
Yeah.
We're finally hitting fish territory, so. I would think that little spinner guy would get hit. No? Right, that's this little spinner guy?
Oh, fish.
What is it?
Bass, I think. Little guy.
More? Maybe take him. I'm just using the wrong stuff, I guess. You want to switch? Yeah. If they're white and green trees, Jake, I can cut it down.
White and yellow.
White and yellow, sorry.
Alright, buddy.
Yellow and red. We got a spinner. Yeah, but that was maybe. I don't know. What?
Thank you, buddy. Little guy. But it was fun. Off he goes.
Oh, there's the bird. Fish. Fish. Stay down, stay down, stay down. No.
That's got a little guy.
Might snag them. I don't think I have him actually in the mouth.
Yeah, you do.
What? Oh, yeah.
Nice little basser. Oh, flip. Oh,
He's in.
he's in.
He's in. Come here. Stop. Stop. Look at that.
There we go. Oh, no. They're right here under this lift. They're right here. I had a nice one. I had a nice one. Come on. Little guy.
We'll take it.
Little rock bass.
Nice. Set up like I have the 2 big, so you can just switch it.
Oh, Rocky. Bye, buddy.
Okay.
Alright, we're past it.
Let's bite your tail.
There we go. I think fish are starting to move into the shade, maybe.
Guys started moving super deep apart.
Yep.
It's like how we were starting to say we're getting warm, we're sweating. Oh, look at this giant ball of minnows. Bait.
Choke this thing. Alright. Bye, buddy.
You got one? Big got a fish.
Jacob got. Oh!
On a little one.
Hey, we take him. We take him.
Yep.
Okay. Settle down. Settle down. Bigger fish than
Yay. Little guy.
Little guy, you want a picture?
Sure.
Yes, yes, he does. I'm gonna go straight out.
Alright, go.
You took your lure?
Hold on,
So confused. What's happening?
Oh, you got a bobber going out there? Ooh, that one's better.
Yeah. You just had to get something that fit in their mouth. Ooh, ooh.
Fish.
He's, no,
Where is he?
great. He's right in front of me.
I see him.
You see that? Going out.
He might be on you. He didn't go towards me.
I'm passing that.
Alright, what color you got, Jacob? What are you doing?
I forgot to undo the bail.
Oh.
Oh! No, It looks like a decent bite, Harry. My bad, Let's go get there.
Get another one, Jacob?
Yep.
Alright, Jacob's about to pass us in numbers real quick.
We are heading into a boat.
Had to go small, huh?
Hey, sometimes small's okay. We all got the beach. What a fish is that weed? Oh my god.
Did you get it out?
Yeah, we got weed fish right away, that over there. I'm gonna get my fish the smallest fish today. You trying to? Yeah. I think I already did. I only get yeah, I did. You might sort of check me on this one.
That's true. You're good, you're good, you're good. Just stay out there.
Oh my god. Another decent.
There you go. That one's better.
Yeah. Oh. He's so good. He might turn around here. Oh. Oh, that was a fish. Nice.
Ready, Jacob?
Doubled up.
Mine's smaller.
Okay. Whatever. So Jacob has to beat a number. What is that, 5? Myself.
Oh, there we go.
We are gonna have to do it. Ooh. Yeah. Hope you have your bobber on the. Yeah.
So Rocky?
It's a bluegill.
Is it a blue?
Hey, no, it's a rocky. No, it's a blue.
No, it's a
That
bluegill.
thing choked that. Oh my god. That thing barely fits in your mouth, buddy. You're not swimming anywhere.
He's just like twitching, so you're gonna have to go. Or you can do it slowly. Nice fish. Little guy. But they're fun. Alright, we found where they're aggressive.
We're gonna have a struggle again. Bye-bye, little guy.
There we go. Oh, bass, bass. Big. are decent. No. Stay down.
Oh my gosh.
Stay down.
Stop it.
There's another one there, Pat.
Another?
Oh, no, no.
Where?
Over there, over there.
Can't get it.
Go, go, go.
Where? I didn't see where he went.
Front left, or front right. Towards the tree.
Shoot it. Oh. Yep.
We doubled up.
I'm not checking the gas because it's really easy to move it. It's a rock. It's a bluegill again.
Oh.
It's a bluegill.
Look at this bad boy.
It's a bluegill. Nice. Nobody. I wanted the bass, but it could.
All right, here. Oh, Jacob, can you help us on that boat? Pat. Pat.
Oh no, we're not gonna.
Pat.
Okay, Jacob, make sure we don't hit it. Yeah. Okay, there's a couple.
Sweet. All right.
Nice fish, Dad.
All right, let me release him.
I don't know. I think my. Oh, Jacob, corner.
Leaning.
I don't know. That one's close to mine, Dad.
There he goes. All right, you want me back on the driving? Okay.
Your phone. You want that?
Yeah.
There might be already fish on my hand. So. We doubled up with a bluegill and a bass.
Yeah, I'd cast over there, Pat.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, he smoked it.
No, there's aggressive bluegill right by that tree. Yeah. I don't know. It's gonna be shallower.
Bye-bye, buddy. All right, so benefits to a smaller boat. You can get in tight places and catch some fun flipping fish. All right, let's see what's under this pontoon. Yeah, nothing.
Yeah, Jacob.
Nice one. Sweet. Alright. I gotta focus on driving now, so we don't hit people's boats. Come on. Come on. No, I didn't want you. The bass was gonna eat it. I hate you right now. Okay. Oh man, there's a. Oh, he's dead. Dead bass. That's sad. Come on, guys.
Yeah. No.
Oh, he's trying to swim.
I don't know why.
That bass is recently. Oh, that's sad. All right, got to start moving again. Fishy.
Oh, Jacob, I know what top water I should use. Why can I not see? I can really, I can't.
His head is buried in the weeds. Looks like a smallie.
Oh,
See it? I think that's a smallmouth.
Oh, terrible pass.
Bye-bye. Bye.